everyone, this is part 4 of our PolyUp Beginners Solar Library tutorial. So our house consumes 12 kilowatts of energy. For comparison, the average residential solar installation in the US is 5.6 kilowatts. That means our house produces nearly twice the amount of energy it requires. So let's try to remove few bulbs and save more electricity. I have removed few lamps and I have moved some lamps to the center so that we can save some electricity. I am also going to remove this air conditioner because we have enough windows to keep the room cool. Now let's see how much electricity our house consumes. After calculating how much energy our house produces now, I realize that our house produces 9885 watts or 10 kilowatts. So that means we need 2 large batteries and 1 small battery and 32.95 solar panels or 33 solar panels. You can see the calculations here. So now let's add our 33 solar panels. I have added 33 solar panels. Now I am going to add the batteries. Now I am going to add the microgrid controller or the circuit box. Now I am going to put the roofs back and test whether everything is working. To see inside the house, I am going to create a character. And I am going to add some controls to it. You can use any block as your character. Even you can use poly. Now let's add some arrow chips so that we can move poly and see inside. We also need to attach a camera so that we can see. Now let's add some blocks in these chips. The up arrow chip will make poly go forward. The down arrow chip will make poly go back. The right arrow chip will make poly turn right. And the left arrow chip will make poly turn left. Let's make sure everything is working. Yes. I'm going to increase poly's height. So that we can see inside clearly. Also, I am going to leave the doors open. You can also add a touch chip which will open or close the door when you click on it. For now I am not going to add it. Now I'm going to add a graph so that I know what's happening. By adding a graph, we can also fix some errors if there are. As you can see, everything is working fine. Now I'm going to add a day and night clock as well so that I can see when it is day or night. I'm going to add the clock outside. As you can see, the fridge is on at night. When it turns day, some of the other appliances will turn on too. Now it's turning noon, so the air conditioner will be on. As you can see, by looking at the graph, we can say that most of the energy is coming from the PV solar panels and the solar batteries. As you can see, even the air conditioner was on. Finally, it has turned night time and all the bulbs are on. Seems like it's morning again. Yes, it is morning. Now we have finally created our solar house. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.